Mastering Google for $50 a day. The best AI side hustle of 2024. Welcome to Profitability Plus, where we redefine opulence, elegance, and the finer things in life. If you're passionate about exquisite experiences, exclusive destinations, and the latest trends in high-end living, you're in the right place. Join me on a journey where we explore the epitome of luxury, uncovering the secrets behind lavish lifestyles, premium travel destinations, and the most refined products on the market. Hey guys, ever wondered which website reigns supreme in global popularity? Well, surprise, surprise, it's Google! Every day, millions hop on, typing in specific search terms, and today, I've got a neat trick to share on how you can turn this into a passive income, something I've managed to pull off myself. So here's the scoop. It involves building a blog website and strategically getting your articles ranked on Google. Now hold on, it might sound like some tech wizardry, but trust me, it's surprisingly straightforward. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of launching this side hustle. You'll want to grasp the basics of creating a website. Think of it like this. Pick a niche that not only pays well but also aligns with your passions. Take my site, for instance, geared towards assisting folks in kicking off their online businesses. Once you've got the niche figured out, it's time to roll up your sleeves and build that website. Hosting is your new best friend here, and platforms like Hostinger are your go-to for budget-friendly plans. Grab that free domain, choose a sleek template using AI technology, and don't forget to link up with Google Search Console for that extra visibility boost. Alright, let's talk cash flow. There are three money-making avenues here: Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and selling your products or services. Google AdSense lets you cash in on a chunk of ad revenue. Affiliate marketing spices things up by slipping those affiliate links into your articles. And of course, you can cut out the middleman by selling directly from your site. Consistency is the name of the game. Regularly churning out top-notch content, especially in areas where you've got a bit of expertise, paired with a well-crafted website and savvy SEO tactics, is your golden ticket to ranking high on Google. The beauty lies in the variety. Whether you prefer sharing your opinions, developing apps, evaluating search engine results, or showcasing your creativity through writing or videos, there's a Google-powered opportunity waiting for you. The key is to find what aligns with your skills, interests, and the time commitment. So let's dive into each option with a bit more detail, allowing you to make an informed decision about the Google-powered income stream that resonates most with you. Google Opinion Rewards. Hey, ever thought your opinions could earn you some extra bucks? Well, Google Opinion Rewards lets you do just that. Download the app from the Google Play Store, answer surveys in your free time, and voila! You earn free Google Play credits. Surveys pay up to $1 each and they cover a variety of interesting topics. It might not make you rich, but it's a sweet way to pocket some extra cash for those fun activities. Create and sell apps on Google Play. Have an awesome app idea? Time to turn it into some cold hard cash. You can sell your app on the Google Play Store. Simply set up a merchant account with Google Wallet, publish your app as a paid download, and watch the money roll in. You can also incorporate Google Ads into your app, boosting your income as your user base grows. Search engine evaluation. Ever thought your knack for efficient searches could earn you money? Well, it can. Become a search engine evaluator, where you can get paid to evaluate search engine results. Your insights help optimize search engines, ensuring users get relevant results. With companies like LeapForce, Appen, iSoftStone, and Lionbridge, you can make around $12 per hour while making the internet a better place. Write and sell books on Google Play. Got away with words? Consider writing and selling books on Google Play. Join the Google Books Partner Program, upload your book file, and you're done. It's a straightforward way to make money, especially if you're passionate about writing. Whether it's a novel, short stories, or a poetry, it's a chance to dip your toes into the world of writing and make some bucks. SEO Consulting. Know your way around SEO strategies? Offer your expertise to businesses and websites through SEO Consulting. It's a lucrative side hustle, but make sure you're well versed in the art of search engine optimization. Don't worry if you're not an SEO whiz yet. There are plenty of resources available to get you started on the right track. Google Remote Careers. If you're looking to work remotely, Google might have a spot for you. Explore the job board for remote positions in development, engineering, operations, and administration. Google is open to freelancers too, making an exciting opportunity for those with freelancing careers. Google Checkout. While Google Checkout won't directly make you money, it's a trusty service that can help potential customers feel secure about their purchases. If you're running a business, Google Checkout streamlines transactions and builds customer confidence. After all, people trust Google. Google Keyword Planner. For website owners, the Google Keyword Planner is a gold mine. It helps you understand what people are searching for, making your content more tailored to their needs. Although it might not bring immediate results, planning your content strategically with keywords sets you up for long-term success. As your site gains more visitors, you'll have the chance to monetize that traffic and rake in the profits. YouTube. If you're a content creator with a sizable YouTube following, it's time to monetize your videos with Google. Whether it's through Google AdSense or other creative avenues, having more viewers translates to more earnings. If you're still building your audience, don't fret. Start now and the money-making potential will follow. We're all acquainted with Google, the powerhouse behind the most extensively used search engine. Whether it's a conscious choice or not, Google is intricately woven into the fabric of our daily lives. In fact, if you stumbled upon this article through a Google search, it's a testament to the pervasive influence Google has in our interconnected world. Alright, my savvy friend, that's a wrap on unlocking the secrets to turning your passion into a passive income with a killer website. If you found these tips handy and are ready to embark on your online journey, don't forget to hit that like button. It truly means the world to us. But hey, the party doesn't stop here. If you want to stay in the loop with more insights, tips, and tricks on navigating the vast world of online moolah making, then you're just one click away from joining our awesome community. Yep, you guessed it right. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. It's not just a button press, it's a commitment to your future success. Your support fuels this channel and helps us whip up more content that matters to you. So, let's keep this journey rolling together. Stay curious, stay driven, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay awesome.